Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and today we are here to solve another question on SQL and today is day 7. So let's start. So the question that we are going to solve today is number of bathrooms and bedrooms. And this question got asked in Airbnb. So let's see what is the question. So the question is find the average number of bathrooms and bedrooms for each city's property types. Output the result along with the city name and property type. So we have one table given here. Let's quickly see the table structure so that we can understand the question better. So this is how the table looks like. It has ID, price, property type. So in the column property type, there can be different type of property. That is, it can be an apartment, it can be cabin, it can be house. So these are the different types. Then the next column that we need is number of bathrooms. So in each property type, how many bathrooms are there? Then what is the city name? So the city name is NYC. So now the thing is, in NYC, in city NYC, it can be, the property type can be apartment. In city NYC, the property type can be a cabin. In NYC, the property type can be house. Okay, so in each city, there can be multiple property type. And in that property type, there are number of bathrooms and bedrooms. So we have seen the number of bathroom column. So number of bedroom is here. So in NYC, when the property type is apartment, number of bathrooms is 1 and number of bedroom is 0. Okay, so this is what it means. So now what do we need to do? We need to find all the unique combination of city and the property type, and then we have to write down the average number of bathrooms and bedrooms for that unique combination. Okay. So how we are going to do it? So first, let's try to understand how we are going to approach this problem. So we have different city. Okay. So first of all, we are going to group by on city so that we have all unique city. In each city, we have different type of property, right? So then we are going to group by on property type so that we will have a unique combination of city along with its property type. For example, NYC apartment is one combination. NYC cabin is another combination. NYC house is another combination. Just like that, LA is city, so LA and apartment is going to be one combination. LA cabin is going to be another combination. LA house is going to be another combination. So this is what we want. And then we are quickly going to find out the average number of bathrooms and the bedrooms. So first of all, we are going to do what? We are going to do group by on city. First, we are going to do it on city because within city, we have different type of property. So be careful of the order. And then we are going to do it on the property type. Okay. And here I'm going to write down city and property type so that we can see all the combination. So let's run this code. See, we have all the combination here that in NYC we have apartment, in LA we have cabin, in SF we have house, in again LA we have villa. So these are all the unique combinations that we get by doing the group by on city and the property type. Now what more we want? We want average number of bathroom and average number of bedroom. So we are going to do what? We are going to do average number of bathrooms. I'm going to name it as average underscore bathrooms. And we need average number of bedrooms as average underscore bedrooms. Okay, so this is what we need. Let's quickly run this. So this is what we are getting. Now let's match this with the expected output. So see, this is same. It is exactly same. We are getting the right output, right? So this is how we solve this problem. Now let's quickly submit it to see whether our query is correct or not. So the solution got submitted and our query is correct. So this was a simple question. It is just that this time we are using group by on 2 columns instead of 1. And then we are finding out the unique combination. And for all that unique combination, we are finding out the average number of bathrooms and average number of bedrooms. So this is how we approach this problem and we solve it. So this is all about today's video. I hope you understand this. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. Okay. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, keep liking. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.